Hello friends. Well, today we are going to see how to delete a video uploaded on YouTube because it might be having a copyright or something else. Let's open up our browser and search youtube.com. Then go to YouTube Studio. Click on Content. Click three dots. Select Delete Forever. Check that box, then delete. Now it's done. You can see that your video is long gone as you wanted. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share, subscribe, and let me know if it worked for you in comment section.